Hey friends, if you wish to install Wi-Fi drivers for your Windows system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, one thing is that you can search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Now expand the list for network drivers, network adapters, and right click on the MediaTek driver and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. If it is an Intel or AMD computer, it will search for drivers automatically. But another way is that you can right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to Windows Update on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options, select optional updates and install these updates. So this is if you wish to install the drivers from Intel or if you wish to install the drivers from Microsoft's repository. However, there's one thing that I need to tell you. These drivers are updated by the manufacturer of your system and they send these drivers to Microsoft, which gets a little late. Though these days it doesn't matter a lot, but if you wish to install drivers, I mean the latest drivers, the best way to do it is from the manufacturer's website. I'll show you how. So open your browser. Now let's say my manufacturer is ASUS, so I'll search for ASUS Wi-Fi drivers. Usually it will always take you to the download center page, which I'll go to the download center page. It will ask for the model number of your system, which is FA507RE in the case of my system, and then it will allow you to download the drivers. So I'll click on drivers and tools, scroll down and go to BIOS, sorry, drivers and tools, and then scroll down. You'll have to click on all these download. Okay, we'll go to drivers and updates. Scroll down. You'll find something for wireless as well, smart control, and then ASUS wallpaper, Dolby Atmos, and what do we say, chipset drivers. Here's the networking drivers, the LAN drivers. So download these, and as soon as you download these, click on this exe file here. Okay, when you click on these on the exe file, it will install it. Also install the WLAN driver because that's for the wireless LAN. Okay, now what if you have a Dell computer? Simple, you have to search for Dell Wi-Fi drivers and go to their website. Okay, and then enter your model number and download it. It goes the same for any brand, be it HP, Lenovo, MSI, Gigabyte, any brand. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.